In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where stars dance and galaxies swirl, there lies a profound mystery that has captivated the minds of explorers and dreamers for eons. It is the enigma of fine-tuning, a story that weaves through the fabric of the universe, binding planets, stars, and galaxies in a delicate dance of existence. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic kitchen where the ingredients of reality are carefully measured and combined. This kitchen, the birthplace of our universe, holds the secrets to our very existence. In this grand kitchen, the laws of physics are the recipes, and the fundamental constants are the ingredients. Every element, every force, every particle, they all play a crucial role in this cosmic culinary masterpiece. Long ago, in the infancy of time, when the universe was but a fledgling, a peculiar event occurred. It was as if the universe itself knew the secret to its own creation. The expansion rate, that initial push that set the cosmos into motion, and the sum total of all forms of matter and energy seemed to align with a precision that defied mere chance. In this cosmic kitchen, the first element on the menu was N, the ratio of two fundamental forces. It determined the strength of the gravitational pull between protons and the electrostatic force that kept them apart. If N had been different, stars would have been either too small to shine or burned out in a cosmic blink. Then, there was epsilon lower k, a measure of the energy released when hydrogen fused into helium inside the hearts of stars. It was the key to the alchemical process of forging heavier elements. A slight tweak in this value, and the universe might have been devoid of elements beyond hydrogen. As the cosmic chef continued, omega came into play. This ratio of actual matter density to a theoretical critical density held the fate of the expanding universe. Too high, and the universe would have collapsed into itself. Too low, and the stars and galaxies would never have had the chance to form. Lambda, the cosmological constant, was next on the cosmic menu. It represented the energy that emerged from the very fabric of space itself. A deviation here, and the universe might have been unrecognizable, hurtling through space at an unimaginable pace. Q, the measure of energy needed to break apart a galactic supercluster, determined the fate of cosmic structures. Too small, and the universe would have been a desolate void. Too large, and it would have been a realm dominated by relentless black holes. Finally, D stood as a testament to the spatial dimensions we call home. With 3 dimensions, we found stable orbits and the potential for life. Alter this number, and the very fabric of reality would have been reshaped. In this cosmic kitchen, the ingredients had to be just right. The fine-tuning was not a mere coincidence. It was the result of a careful crafting, a deliberate selection of constants and laws that allowed for the emergence of galaxies, stars, and ultimately, life itself. And so, as we stand amidst the grandeur of the universe, we are left with a question that echoes through the corridors of time. Are we the fortunate beneficiaries of a cosmic recipe, finely tuned for our existence, or is there a deeper truth waiting to be unveiled? The cosmic kitchen holds its secrets close, but it beckons us to explore, to delve into the heart of existence, and seek the answers that lie beyond the horizon of our understanding. For in the tale of fine-tuning, we find not only a mystery, but an invitation to unravel the very fabric of reality itself. As we journey through this narrative, we discover that the universe's expansion rate, the composition of matter and energy, and the values of fundamental constants all appear finely tuned to allow for the emergence of galaxies, stars, and life itself. These constants and conditions are not mere coincidences, they are the result of a cosmic recipe, carefully crafted to enable our existence. Yet, this tale also raises profound questions. Are we merely fortunate beneficiaries of this finely tuned universe, or is there a deeper meaning behind it all? The cosmic kitchen holds its secrets close, but it invites us to explore, to seek answers, and to uncover the mysteries that lie beyond the horizon of our understanding. In the end, the story of fine-tuning is a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the universe. It reminds us that, as explorers of the cosmos, our quest for knowledge and understanding is an ongoing journey, one that continues to unravel the secrets of the universe and our place within it.